75 minus 15 equals 60. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. 12 times 3 equals 36. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a subtraction, a division and a multiplication operator present, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority over subtraction, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve multiplication and division first, but between them we have to solve this division because it is on the left side. So 15 divided by 5, that gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 75 minus 3 times 3. Now we have two operators present here, subtraction and multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this. 3 times 3 equals 9, and finally 75 minus 9 equals 66, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.